Now let's dive into our feature story of the day, shall we? Jamie Coutts, an analyst, says one Bitcoin metric is bullish reversal and predicts Bitcoin will hit over 140,000 this cycle. So let's break this baby down. Real Vision chief crypto analyst Jamie Coutts is saying that a major Bitcoin metric is flashing a bullish signal. Coutts says that the number of the active Bitcoin addresses is rising after a downtrend that lasted for 11 months. And according to Coutts, the number of active Bitcoin addresses as a predictive tool remains one of the most significant base level on-chain metrics. The Real Vision crypto analyst further says Bitcoin could surge to between $147,600 and $184,500 this cycle. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst, quoting him here. While I anticipate Bitcoin reaching 2x to 2.5x its all-time high this cycle, current all-time high is 73.5 or 73.8, a corresponding breakout in base chain active addresses would undoubtedly validate the network valuation. And after all, Bitcoin is a global monetary network demonstrating organic network growth and adoption across all the metrics, which helps underwrite its future. And Bitcoin currently trading above 60, down roughly 16% from the all-time high of 73.8, which we achieved mid-March. Coutts also shares his outlook on the native token of Layer 1 blockchain, SUI. The Real Vision analyst says SUI, I'm pronouncing it SU, correct me if I'm wrong, which is up over 100% over the past 30 days, could continue the upward move, quoting him here. While SU could very well correct from here, the fact that it is within striking distance to its all-time high places it near the top of the layer ones ranked on this measure. Behavioral economists often attribute this to underreaction, anchoring, or the disposition effect, wonkish terms that boil down to one simple idea. People tend to underestimate the significance of an asset making new highs, which creates a FOMO feedback loop, amplifying the price movement as more investors rush in. Let me know if you've ever heard of SU and if any of you are actually invested in it. I don't really know much about it, so please clue me in and I'll read your comments out loud. But more importantly, let me know, do you agree with the Real Vision analyst that Bitcoin will likely end up hitting a cycle peak this cycle between 147,600 and 184,500, which is ultimately 2x to 2.5x the current all-time high of this cycle? Let me know if you agree or disagree. JV's personal prediction for the cycle peak, I think, will occur next year in 2025. My cycle low bear scenario is 222,000. Shout out Bring Facts. And my bull scenario is all the way up to 750,000. So kind of in the middle, we have a $500,000 Bitcoin price action potentially in play for this cycle peak. Let me know if you agree or disagree.